Introducing the Toshiba GigaShot HD Camcorder Range. The Toshiba GigaShot A and K series ranges of HD camcorders are small and light, but provide you with high-quality video footage that you'll treasure. The HD video they record offers stunning color reproduction and clarity, and when you watch it again, you'll be transported straight back to when they were recorded. Both A and K series camcorders feature a 3-inch full-color TFT viewing screen, so you can always see the action and quickly review what you've shot. The video footage is recorded to a shock-proof internal hard drive, so there's no need to carry blank tapes or discs with you. You can also add an SD memory card and capture high-quality still images as well as video footage. The comprehensive set of automatic light settings and image stabilization functions make sure your footage always looks its best, while the high-quality Fujinon 10x broadcast quality optical zoom lens gets you close to the action. The GigaShot A series can shoot at full 1080i HD resolution, which is 1920 by 1080, so you can see every detail in your video. Available with hard disk drive sizes of 40 or 100 gigabytes, the larger version can store over 12 hours of high definition or 23 hours of standard definition footage. The GigaShot K series can produce video at 720p HD resolution, which is 1280 by 720, making it an inexpensive entry into the world of HD camcorders. Available with either a 40GB or 80GB hard drive, the larger version can store over 11 hours of high-definition video and over 19 hours at standard definition. Once you have finished shooting, transferring your video to your computer is a simple operation with the USB 2.0 and HDMI connections, where you can edit your footage using the software provided. To really show off your footage, you can also connect the camera to a Toshiba GigaFrame digital photo frame and copy your favorite clips across, so they are always on display in your home.